Hello astrology lovers, welcome to AstroBasic, the first place to learn astrology. I'm Jayant Kumar and I'll be your host for today's session from AstroBasic channel. So far in Vedic Astrology we have seen introduction to Vedic Astrology where we have discussed about planets and their constellation, how Vedic Astrology can help you and what are the things you need to know to do the good prediction. And then we discussed about horoscope houses, then we discussed about planets, then we discussed about planets and their different properties, where we discussed about their aspects, drishti, and different types of properties. And then today we are going to discuss about planets and their strength. This is one of the very important topic in Vedic astrology, because as an astrologer you always need to check the strength of the planet, because if the planet is strong then it will definitely fulfill their promise. Whatever result they are promising, that will definitely get fructify. But if it is not that much strong, then it will give little mixed kind of result. So how to check the strength of the planet? There are different way of checking the strength of the planet. One very famous method is Shadbal, which we are going to discuss today. And then there is another method in that we are checking the degree. As per their degree, we are deciding whether it's which age of planet it is. Like it's a baby, it is young, it is old, or it is died. There is another method also astrologer very frequently use, which I'm not going to discuss it today, but you will see in my upcoming videos those, where we are considering the Navmansa also. Because if planet is in your Rashi chart, the main chart is showing is like a television, then the planets in your Navmansa is like signal of the television. So if that Navmansa, the planet is strong, that means it is really strong. If both the planets are sitting at the same place, that is also called the Vargottam, and that is also very strong. So we will see in my upcoming videos. There is another method which I always see in my analysis is if the planets and the constellation ruled by the planets, if both are same. Suppose your Mars is sitting in the constellation which is ruled by the Mars, then it is again strong. And if their sublord is again Mars, that means it is really super strong. So whatever Mars houses they are representing, that result definitely Mars will give. Definitely it will force people to do that. So that also we will see in my upcoming videos. So today I am going to show the Shadbal concept. There are 6 different ways where planets can get their strength. So we will check that. The strength of planets are very important concept in Vedic astrology. If planets are strong, their results are more promising. According to traditional Vedic astrology, planets have 6 different sources of strength. And combinedly all 6 are called the Shadbal, because on each type of strength planets are getting some points, and after considering all the 6 aspects they are calculating, adding all the points, and then they are deciding which planets are getting how many points and who is the strongest planets. So that is method of the Shadbal. So points I am not going to discuss, I am just going to tell you what are these different types of strength. So first one is positional strength or Sthanbal. Second one is directional strength or Digbal. Third one is called time strength or Kalbal. Fourth one is called motional strength or Chestabal. Fifth one is called natural strength or Naisargic Bal. Sixth one is aspectual strength or Dishtibal. First one, positional strength. That means any planets, the place where it is sitting, as per that they are getting the positional strength. That means if planets are sitting in zodiac sign ruled by the friendly planets, or zodiac sign ruled by themselves, or the Mool Trikona Rasi or exalted sign, so anywhere if it is sitting, so they are getting strength. So if you don't know what is the Mool Trikon sign and what are the exalted, debilitated and on house, you will see that. So if planets are sitting in on house, they are getting like 50%, Mool Trikona 75%, exalted 100%. So this is how the strength they are getting, and here is the list, so you can go through that. Second one is called directional strength or digbal. Means if planets are placed in particular house, then they are getting the directional strength as per their direction. So like Jupiter and Mercury in ascendant, Moon and Venus in 4th house, Saturn in 7th house, Mars and Sun in 10th house. Then planets get their directional strength or digbal. As per their time of birth, planets are getting strength. So like if person is born at night time, so Moon, Mars and Saturn gets strength uh, at that time, and that calls the Kalbal. And if person born at daytime, then Sun, Mercury and Venus gets the strength as per the time strength or Kalbal. Emotional strength is as per their motion. So if Sun is in Capricorn, Aquarius, Pisces, Aries, Taurus and Gemini, they get the emotional strength. Same way for the Moon, if it is in Capricorn, Aquarius, Pisces, Aries, Taurus and Gemini, they also get the emotional strength or Shadbal. Likewise, if Mars, Mercury, Jupiter, Venus and Saturn, if any one planets acquired conjunct with Moon, they are also getting the emotional strength. Natural strength is each planet produce a particular strength permanently irrespective of its position. So here is the order, like Sun is stronger than Moon, Moon is stronger than Venus, Venus is stronger than Jupiter. Like that, Sun will be always strong and Saturn will be least strong. But in practical scenarios, I have not seen like that. I have seen Saturn is also very strong and able to give the result, and sometimes Sun is also not able to give the result. So but we will see these things in my upcoming videos. Last one is called the aspectual strength. As per the drishti, they are getting the strength. Like aspect of malefic planets on any planet reduces the strength of the planets, whereas aspect of benefic planets will increase the strength of the planets. If on malefic planets, if aspect of benefic planets are there, still malefic planets reduce their malefic nature and they get some positive. So now you have seen about the Shadbal. As I told, there are other methods where we are considering the degree of the planet to decide the strength. So here is the example. Planets are also getting strength as per their degree. So here is the degree, like 3 to 9 degree, it is baby and it is able to give minimal result. 10 to 22 degree, it is considered as a young and they are able to give result very strongly. 23 to 28 degree, it is old and planets are able to give minimal result. And 29 to 2 degree, it is dead and planets are very weak at that time. They are able to give very minimal result. But again, in practical scenarios, I have seen even planets are like 1 degree, below 2 degree, they are able to give very strong result. So we will see these things in upcoming videos. These all things I am telling just for the learning purpose, you just keep in mind, but in practical scenarios things are changing. It's not like one to one, because other things we have to consider also. So this is what my analysis of the strength of the planet. So thank you for watching this video, and if you are new to my channel, subscribe below or a small YouTube tiny icon. And if you are new to my Facebook, then please like my Facebook page as well, because all the videos and articles of the website I am posting there. And if you have any question about this topic or you want to get more detail about this topic, please visit my website www.astrobasic.com, and to ask question, please visit my Q&A section of the website. So stay tuned, see you in next video. Bye bye. Let's take example of Sun. So if Sun is sitting in this house, particular house, so it will aspect the 7th house from his place. So count 7 from here, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So his drishti or aspect in this house will be the same